Home Depot with the birds today. We have Carrot, Kona, and Ducky. We're gonna shop for some supplies to make a mini outdoor aviary. Look at how cute you guys are. Pretty. She's a girl. It's Chandler. That's his bird.
You like orange?
No. I know. Carrot, you match Home Depot.
Favorite color.
Favorite color is blue?
Thank you. Yep, it's Ducky. All right, let's go shopping. Oh, yeah, we have one too.
Yeah.
We love it.
It's too hot out there.
Yeah. Oh, this is for the. Yeah, we need two in the back. Yeah, two different things. All right, so here's. Let me see what this is. This is what we are looking for. This is the rope for the macaws. We've been looking for. So let's do 25 feet of this size. Look at you, smart man. That's 25 feet. Actually, and before you do that, I'm gonna look this up.
It's 100% manila. It says biodegradable and recyclable. Strongest natural fiber. 670-pound working load.
So it says natural fiber,
Yes.
no oils or
It
anything.
says strongest natural fiber.
Okay. Look at my little hairball. Oh my gosh. Carrot, I can't even see you. Hi, there's your pretty face. Oh, look at that pretty
Carrot.
boy. We got that done. Now we're gonna go look for the netting. Look at all the PVC. There's lots of it. Tons. So this is gonna be for Ruby's cage that we are putting her in. It's a larger cage. She used to be in it. But we had to take her out because she was trying to nest and lay eggs at the bottom. So that's why she's in the cage she's in now.
Is Ruby a boy or a girl?
Ruby is a girl.
Well, did she have eggs?
She was laying eggs 2 years ago.
And did they hatch?
No, because we don't want her to lay eggs, so we took them out. And she actually had too much space in her cage, so she kept going to the bottom. So that's why she's in the cage she's in now, but we're gonna try it now that it's been a couple years. Hi!
Do they talk at all?
They do. Ducky talk. Here's Ducky. You wanna hold her? She won't bite you.
I used to have turkeys.
You did? Oh.
Cockatiels. Hi, baby. Oh, you got that.
Oh.
My fingernail's not a chew toy.
Ducky loves nails.
Yeah, did you think it was a chew toy? Hi, pretty boy.
She's yeah, she's a girl. Is this what you used? These right here for rubies, a different size. This is what we use for the bird perches that we then use equine tape with, and it works really well for the macaws. This is to make the PVC bird perches that we use for Ruby and Parrot, and Boo's gonna get one. Yep. And then we do little play gyms with them. Right, Ducky? I'm still waiting for you to go potty.
I can see your head.
Go look in the gardening section and see if they have maybe the bird netting. We need to find Dad too. Oh jeez. The garden center's the other way. This is so funny. That's a wrap. We gotta order the bird netting. They don't have it here, the kind that I want. But we have the PVC for the perches and the rope. Run. The perch play area is for my green-winged macaw Ruby. We're going to add the colorful equine tape, a food bowl and a water bowl, and toys that will hang down as well. Ruby is going to be going into a different bird cage, and I will show you the whole process as we get her going into her cage that she used to be in. It's an acrylic Cages by Design cage, and I originally got this cage for her for many different reasons. One was I had an in-home daycare, and so I would have little kids in my house, and I needed to make sure that it was safe so that the birds could not get to the little kids' fingers. And so that's one reason why I love the acrylic cages, especially if you have little kids. But it also keeps the mess in. It has plenty of ventilation at the top and through the doors. It's an excellent investment. It's very expensive. I spent over $6,000 for my 3 acrylic cages. It came with the natural forest background. So I'm going to show you all of that in upcoming videos of us getting Ruby into her new cage. We're switching things up with the bird room. It's going to be an exciting summer for all of us, and I hope you'll join us. So thanks for watching, guys. We had a great time at Home Depot. Birds had a great time. We talked to many different customers, and they wanted to hold Ducky. They wanted to hold Carrot. We educated a couple of them on what it is like to have pet parrots. So have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and push like if you enjoyed this video.